To be honest with the way that we do create, it's taken us 33 years to create this production. It's been that whole period of time of us learning more about ourselves, learning more about our craft and our refinement of movement quality. We realized that it's about a union and a harmony between everyone in the same space to be there. And then that was an extension of drawing the audience in. Dance theatre meditation allowed the audience to feel like they're an active participant or an active contributor to the space in which they're in. For us, with the audience and their experience of Infinite, it's that they experience an echo, they experience a resonance, an after effect, if you will. The power of performance and of dance doesn't necessarily have to end when the show ends and the curtains come down, just to use that analogy, but that they feel that they've embraced something that they will experience in their life. So you have to come and see the show.